So I want to talk about something that's coming up in week 3. So next week, July 19th, which is on Tuesday, we're going to be doing work 1, which is going to be in the second part of class, and for a little bit after class. And I'm going to break that down. So one of the things you're doing for prep for Tuesday is preparing a planning document. So it's just 4 prompts that you're going to go into your Google Drive, go into your daily work folder, open a new document, and answer 4 prompts. And you're going to sign up for a workshop time. So what we're doing is some explorative brainstorming to think about what you want to do for your inquiry. It's not focused on grammar, organization, style, things like that. It's just focused on your ideas and thinking out what your ideas are for this topic. So the first thing you're going to do is sign up for a time. So I'm going to click here and open up the sign up document. You must sign up for a time by Monday to guarantee a slot, because you'll be able to let me know if you can't come to that night. The times that are available. So the first is Tuesday the 19th at 10:45. So during class we have one at 11:40 and one at 12:30. I always ask if you can sign up for a time for one of these later 2 times to please do so. That way it leaves the during class time open for anybody that maybe can't come at another time, that has work or another class or something right after class and has a harder time getting there. So what you're going to be bringing to the document is, one of your prompts is going to ask you to get a piece of visual evidence. So a graph, an advertisement, a lot of people use graphs, a video clip from YouTube, some kind of either primary or possibly tertiary source, which I'll break this down in a little bit, but something that is a piece of visual evidence to help illustrate the issue, and then a draft of your planning document to share. So we'll be kind of going over your responses to your prompts, giving you some feedback, and you'll turn in the final draft by the 19th at 11:59 p.m. So later that night. So here are your prompts. First, what you're going to be doing in the workshop is speaking just for a few minutes using your planning document about where you are in the decision-making process, what you know about the issue, show your piece of visual evidence, talk about what you're thinking coming into it, what problems you're having, things like that, and then we'll give you some feedback. So very informal. What goes on your document? Where you are in the decision-making process. So what ideas, what maybe a primary idea you have that you'd like to look at, and then what other issues you might be considering for your LOI, for your inquiry topic. Where we can see this issue taking place. This is your visual evidence. So for instance, if I was looking at body image advertising, I might show a controversial ad to show the issue taking place. I might show a clip of photoshopping taking place to show what the problem is. If I'm talking about a political issue, I might show a clip of a press conference. If I were talking about violent video game rhetoric, I might show a clip of a violent video game. I could also show maybe a graph that shows the problem or a trend taking place, something that illustrates the issue. What, if anything, you already know about the issue, what assumptions or personal biases you're bringing to the table. So what baggage you're coming in with, opinions, values, experiences, biases, concerns. Do you have any values, opinions, or experiences that might impact your thinking? Is there anything you're worried about? Personal connections you might have with the issue. Kinds of things you're expecting to find, like a hypothesis coming into it, things like that. So what kinds of things are you coming in with that could impact your thinking as you're moving through this research? It's really helpful just to kind of get that out there and be thinking about it so that you're aware of how it might impact you so that you can work around it. So again, where are you in the decision-making process, where we can see the issue taking place currently? What, if anything, you already know about the issue, and what assumptions or personal biases you're bringing to the table. This is about 400 words. You're going to submit the file here, but you're also going to have it in your daily work folder, and then there's some resources here to help you with citing using Google Docs and things like that. So again, we'll be in class on Thursday if you have any questions. Otherwise, peace.